everybody, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my stamp studio and Happy New Year. I hope you all enjoyed your Christmas and your New Year's and those super fun, confusing days in between when we're never really sure what day it is. And this year, because the holidays didn't fall on the public holiday, it kind of even upped to the ante. We had what I called Faco New Year's yesterday with my daughter and future son-in-law, and planned our upcoming trip to England, and then we will continue on to Norway with the Stampin' Up! Cruise. So I'm really looking forward to this May, and that will be the next time that I get to take 2 weeks off. I don't take 2 weeks off very often, but I did take 2 weeks off the week approaching Christmas and then last week. And I checked my email just a couple of times and I answered the very most important ones, but they piled up, and I knew that if I started, it would suck up all of my time. So as soon as I'm done filming this and it's uploading, I'm going to start going through that giant list. So, there's good things about taking time off, and then when nobody's doing the work for you, it kind of backs up. So today I'm going to show you the gift, and a lot of people have asked to see it, that came in my club thing, but it'll just take a couple seconds to show you how to put that together yourself if you want to make one. So I'm going to just kind of go over what this week entails. So today is the third, which is the last day that you have if you got the Christmas coupon with your catalog. So if you want to redeem this, today's the last day. January 4th is you don't order tomorrow on the 4th because it's kind of I don't have any new gifts. If you order right now, you're still getting in on the December thank you gift, which I'm going to show you first in a second, because I want to start our new year off with this catalog. So I'll do up to January 4th, and then we'll start with this. So starting on the 5th, and I did see I have several emails from you asking why this wasn't working when you tried to order on the 1st. It doesn't start till the 5th. And that's because otherwise, if Stampin' Up! Wasn't there and then there was a holiday, they need time to switch out the catalogs. So they never, very, very rarely start on the 1st of a month. So we have Celebration, and this just goes through the end of February. It starts the 5th through the end of February. The best part about this, and if you're in my email, you'll get all the complete details, is I still can't open them. And all the details will be in my email. But you can get this little boho blue, which is an upcoming in color that will come out with the next annual catalog. You can get this little mini cut and emboss machine for free. Absolutely free. So the details for that, you join my team. You will also get the Try It class for free while supplies last, because I'm not going to cut more. And I did see I have several emails about people inquiring about joining my team. I will get to that. And so if you emailed and you're like, you didn't even answer me, I was on vacation, and I will answer you. Everything in here is free with a $50 or $100 purchase, and then you can get that machine free for joining my team. Then if you did not get a catalog from me and you were expecting one, let me know. They should all be to you by now, because they went out. Some of them went out in early December, mid-December, and then with the club orders. So if you don't have one and you thought you needed one, let me check to see if your name just got missed. To make all of my lists and all my spreadsheets combined, to make sure people don't get 2, 3, or 4 if you hit all the spreadsheets. And especially if you're new and you requested, then you don't pull up on a spreadsheet. I tried to add you, but sometimes I check my email, when you're in line at the grocery store, and then it looks red. So if you think you should have got one, let me know. And if you didn't, I will send it out to you. January 5th and 6th, I will have catalog kickoff days. There'll be extra specials if you order on those 2 days. And then in January, we're going to go back to normal VIP videos. I'll show you real quick because it does use new product. This is what you're getting right now. If you place an order of $50 or more, you get the supplies to make this. It does use one of the celebration papers, which will be included in club. You need to have the Biggest Swish stamp set if you want to make them exactly as I did, because I will send you all of the cardstock, all of the ribbon, all of the embellishment. And all 3 of these videos are now up. They posted over the week between Christmas and around Christmas and New Year. And then this is another one made with that paper. This isn't included in that, but it is the paper. And this is my favorite of the cards. And that uses the dies that are part of that suite as well. Then for club, if you're in club went out so early this month that I feel like normally it would have just gone out a couple of days ago, because it goes out by the 26th. This time I had it out early, so I would be done with Christmas. But this was club for December. So right now, if you sign up, and then these were the 2 club projects that they made. If you sign up for club, you have till the January 10th. And this month, of course, you get celebration stuff as well. So club details will be coming, and I will have, that's my next video I'm working on, is your first club card. So this is, these were the club gifts, but these are what they got. And I did show you, and people were like, well, what are they for? So that's what I'm going to show you now. So you can see they are a stamp case. If you don't know, you can purchase these in the back of the catalog, but I know a lot of you, especially when you get like the celebration sets and stuff, you take the sets out and you no longer keep them in here. You put them in baggies or something just for space. Although these take up less space, these are for the clear mount and photopolymer. If you have old stamp sets that you don't use, you can donate the stamps to somebody, but keep the case, because we don't sell the wide ones anymore that were for the wood. I did want to tell you, in this catalog, several of the stamp sets, you have the choice. If you want them in the red rubber, what we call cling, or if you want to get them photopolymer. So as you place your orders and you start to write things down, that's a very, very important note to make sure that you get the one that you like. If you like seeing them clear through, or if you like getting a little bit better coverage and longer lasting, then you would choose red. So this is just a stamp. I bought them in the back of the catalog as a supply item. They come maybe in sets of 6. I don't remember. It's been a hot minute. It's another year. It's been a year since I did these. But they were so much fun to put together and so easy. It does take a whole sheet of 12 by 12 paper to make one. This is 11 by 7 1/4. And then you're going to have a bunch of scraps, which I should show you. I have a giant scrap of the ones that are this tall, because I was able to do a mix and match. If you are doing just one or making a couple for gifts, then you would not have as much scrap as I did. So you take this, and then our cases have this little thing in here where you can slide out. If you have a case that you're using, take out the old insert, or if you're buying new ones, you would just slide that straight in here, because this has this little plastic piece. And then on the inside, it is for them to kind of keep organized for club, because a lot of times in club, it feels like a month, you should get everything done. But I get emails and it's like, what embellishment with which month? And I don't remember which ribbon with this. And you can write down, I'm going to start sending a QR code if you're in club, and then that way you can cut it out and you can put it on one of these pages. So there's a little calendar just so they can kind of remember when it shipped, when the videos came out. That way, if you kind of like write on here, and you can then flip these off and put it over here. So these are just little, I do love that our paper is double-sided. This is the one time that you get to see both beautiful sides. And then I took just a little piece of scrap. We had this piece. So you have this, and then you have this. So this piece up here, just take this. These are just notebooks that I got off of Amazon, but you can't find them to be this size, because you need them to fit exactly in here with a little bit of space. So I have to figure out something to do with the boxes that I have of these, because they're super cute. But this is the offcut. So if you have a big paper cutter, you can stick it in there. You could maybe search and find this size. I'm not even sure what size it is if you weren't buying them in bulk. But because I was buying them in bulk, I didn't want to pay, exorbitant prices. And I have the giant paper trimmer. So I just stuck this in here. But now I have boxes and boxes of these little offcuts. They might make fun like bookmarks or something. They may show up again as some kind of a gift, or maybe we'll incorporate them into a project in one of my upcoming events. It'd be fun to do in a retreat or something if I can figure out how to make them cute. So those were cut down, and then you just take a piece of your scrap and just fold it over the top. I just glued that on. I used the green glue. And then these are the RSVP, did I say P? Pens from Pentel, and I got them on Amazon. And the reason you want to use this is because the barrel is clear, and I hope you can see that it matches the paper. But with these, this little end right here comes off, and you can see I just filled it with the paper. So it's a very, very, very small piece of paper, and then you kind of roll it and then stick it in, and unrolls itself. And then you can just shove this back in here. So that was what was their Christmas gift. Now, if you join club in January, I don't even remember. This isn't all of the ones I have. I have a few. of these left. So I may give them also to new club members if you missed out on December's gift. So we'll see. If I decide to do that, I have to look and see how many I have. Super easy to make. You could do it, they can stay in your purse. I mean, obviously you could use them for a myriad of different reasons, and you don't have to have the calendar. That was just a little fun thing because club happens every month, so I liked adding that. But you could keep it in your purse for lists. You could keep one in the car. If you're a mom, you could keep one in your diaper bag. Just really any place where you always want to have a pen and some paper and have it be safe. And it's beautiful. So fun teacher gifts, fun like for Sunday school. Lots of ways and reasons to make them. Check back this week. I will have lots and lots and lots of upcoming videos for the new catalog. I will have the catalog kickoff specials. I'll have January club. Super fun. And then today is the very last day. I think I have 2 spots left for my Try It class. That as well will be in my email. But I'm going to start working on Try It class after I get the club thing up and after I answer all the emails. So everybody have a happy new year, and I'll see you back here later. Bye.